So this video goes over your top 5 current events project. Your task is to create a collection of 5 important current events that have happened recently. Out of your collection, you're going to pick one to share with others. Why we are doing this is to keep practicing using technology to find accurate and reliable sources, in this case news stories. How you are going to do it is you are going to identify what events have happened that really stand out to you for whatever reason. These events can be big or small. And then out of the events that you've found or thought of, identifying which ones you feel like are the most important and creating a collection of those events. This second slide just shows us the standard that we are working on. So again, using technology strategically and capably, I can use technology strategically to achieve a specific purpose, and I can use it strategically to achieve a specific purpose across a variety of contexts or a bunch of different situations. For this project, it looks like using technology to find news stories about 5 different current events, or using technology to find news stories about more than 5 current events, different current events, let's be clear. Step 3 has how you are going to do this, so how-to steps. So, number 1, find 5 different news stories on current events that you think are the 5 most important current events that happened in the world from January 2021 to January 2022. You are going to, number 2, list them in order from 1 to 5 or 5 to 1. Make sure your order is clear. Number 1 is the most important, and number 5 is the least important. Number 3, you can use any criteria you want to determine the most important news stories. Number 4, make sure that you are asking yourself the following questions about your news stories and sources. So we are building on that skill we've been working on with your collection of sources in navigating digital information. Is it a trustworthy source, reliable? Who's created it? What evidence does it provide? In your collection, you need to, number 5, include the title, author or authors, the date of the story, and a link to it. And then number 6 is quite important. That's where you really show that you've used the technology to find a good news story and you have done some lateral reading or fact checking or checking of reliability. In your explanation of 5 or more sentences that explain why you picked this story as one of the top 5. So tell us why it deserves this ranking. Why does it deserve to be there? Number 7 is important because it tells you that only 1 news story per event is allowed. So for instance, you cannot have more than 1 news story about COVID cases, but you may have a news story about COVID cases and a news story about COVID vaccinations. So both related to COVID, but looking at 2 different aspects. And when you use articles, try to have pictures and graphics that represent it well. Slide 4, list some resources available to you. You can have your source collection that you've created in navigating digital information. Use that. One of your topics is current events. This is a link to a news sources document. So if you are struggling and not sure where to go or a place to start to find news stories, open up this document. There are some bullet points right here that help you figure out how to use it. There is a template slideshow, top 5 current events that you are more than welcome to open up and make a copy of, so that the organizing of this project and this collection is done for you. What you would do is make your own copy by going to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then filling this out with your specific information for your specific news stories and rankings, things like that. There is also right here, the last bullet point, an example presentation that is completed. So if you are someone who does well with seeing what the end goal is, look at this. It has the top 5 current events, the time frame of January 2021 to January 2022. They're listed 1 to 5. 1 is the most important. Right there. I forgot that part, but it's there now. And then each of the following slides have the name of the event, the author, different sources, the dates, the answers to those questions that I asked myself while I was looking for these sources, and my explanation of why this news story is important. You can see all of those down here. And the last slide has my identification and explanation of what current event I think is the most important and why. You also have in your assignment for the top 5 current events, your direction slideshow, the example and the template are both linked on your assignment on Google Classroom as well. And then there's some directions that remind you what you're doing and how to turn it in.